In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view attachments on Gmail quickly. To get started, you'll want to open up your Gmail account. You can do this by navigating to mail.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with the correct credentials to access your inbox smoothly. Once you're in, you'll need to find the specific email that has the attachment you want to view. You can do this by scrolling through your inbox or, if you're like many of us who get a lot of emails daily, using the search function to quickly locate your desired message. This feature is quite handy for managing a busy inbox. Once you've located the email, click on it to open it up. Gmail's user-friendly interface displays the message, and you'll typically find any attachments at the bottom. These attachments have distinct icons and, sometimes, file type labels. This visual cue helps you immediately understand what kind of files you're dealing with. Now, once you're ready to take a look at the attachment, move your cursor over the file you're interested in. As you hover over it, Gmail usually responds by showing additional options or highlighting the file. This is a clear indication that you're able to interact with the attachment further. When you hover on the file, a small pop-up window or toolbar will usually appear right over it. This handy feature provides you with a few different options for moving forward. One of the most convenient options is to preview the file directly in Gmail. Simply click on the preview option, and the file will open in a new window or panel, allowing you to take a closer look without first needing to download it. This is especially useful when you just need a quick glance at a document or an image. Alternatively, if you prefer a local copy, you can download the attachment to your computer. Select the download icon, and the file will be saved to your device, usually ending up in your downloads folder. Be sure to scan it for viruses, especially if it's from an untrusted source, to keep your system safe. Another great option offers more cloud-based flexibility. You can add the attachment directly to your Google Drive. This is perfect for keeping all your important documents centralized and accessible from wherever you have internet access. If you're ever looking for a more streamlined method to find emails with attachments, the Gmail search bar feature is a great tool. Just click on the search bar at the top and select Has Attachment. This handy tip filters your emails to show only those containing attachments, saving you time and effort in finding the files you need. And there you have it, a simple guide to viewing and managing attachments in Gmail. With these steps, you should be able to open and organize your files with ease.